just how to compete in Facebook ads. You versus privacy. So you have your foundation constructed, but you're not quite ready to handle your competitors. You need to handle privacy first, which in the last few years has actually changed some of the standard ways we target, track, as well as enhance our Facebook ads. So before you get involved in the affordable side, you need to know exactly how to be creative yet certified with your Facebook targeting. Here are 2 ways to do that. Lean right into on-platform engagement. Among one of the most efficient Facebook retargeting campaigns is that of revealing advertisements to previous website site visitors. For example, you could retarget site visitors that sign up for your e-newsletter, that send a get in touch with kind, who watches a detailed product web page. However, with iOS 14 plus customers having the ability to pull out of track, these website retarget audiences aren't as reputable as they once were. One means to function about this is to retarget users based on their interaction with your Facebook page. These target markets will be exact because they rely on Facebook's first-party data, so you can treat them as you would certainly website visitors. Learn more about this on platform techniques and even more like it below. Used in market sectors from search. This tip can be found in warm form PC influencer and previous word streamers. Facebook has actually eliminated or restricted numerous target classifications from the system for personal privacy, such as those involved in employment, property, or financing. What you can do, nevertheless, is run a search project on Google utilizing in-market marketing targeting. This kind of targeting does still allow you to get to those classifications of users. This will certainly, after that, get certified users to your site, where you can construct a listing to submit to Facebook for a lookalike or retargeting campaign. Obtaining the scoop on this as well as 2 more innovative Facebook audiences targeting techniques here. Exactly how to contend Facebook advertisements, you versus rivals. Alright, currently you're ready to in fact go out there as well as get 'em, Tiger. Follow these suggestions to take down your rival in Facebook ads. Be more strategic with interest targeting. Bidding on rival terms in Google Advertisements is simple, however, given that you aren't your competitor. Your importance and also as a result top quality rating will struggle, which will hike up costs. But on Facebook you can target rates of interest, also known as users interested in what your competitors have to provide. Even if you're not getting clicks, your product brand recognition amongst their target markets. Yet do not just pursue fans of your straight competitors' pages and also call it a day. Believe less about your rivals' exact audience as well as even more retargeting their qualities. Sparrow Boost has some solid recommendations on just how to find rates of interest to target beyond just the Facebook page of your rivals. Facebook pages of influencers or institutes in our market, associated Facebook web pages, kind pertinent keyword phrases right into Facebook search and select web page outcomes, or for any one of the above pages, most likely to pages such as buy this web page or associated web pages in the sidebar. Top follower web page likes. For any web page, click the area tab to see the leading fans. You can then go to their profile, includes and likes at the end of the URL, and after that you can see what they have actually liked. Kind appropriate keyword phrases right into YouTube. Check out Facebook profiles of top ranking videos. If the audience demonstrations are small, integrate them. If they're large enough, think about checking them versus each other to see which one generates the lowest cost per outcome. Look at their Facebook ads, and also more than just their Facebook ads. If you're going to take down your competitors, you have to have a clear picture of not just who, but what they're taking down. Take a look at ads they're putting out there on Facebook and elsewhere. Here's how. View their Facebook ads. Go to the Meta Ads library directory and search the business name, or go to their Facebook page, find page transparency and click on view all ads. It will take you to the same place. Look at their LinkedIn ads. Is their messages different? Are they even running LinkedIn ads organically, and see which topics, content types, pain points and benefits their fans are engaging with the most. I do hope this has helped you a little bit. If you do like my videos, please press the like below, and also if you push the bell up the top, press all, you'll get more information when I put another video up. And I say thank you for watching. This is Ian Jackson saying goodbye.